The powerful class provides themselves with a terrifying security system to protect them from the threat of revolt by the hungry masses. It is, therefore, no surprise that people often ask how it is possible for European leaders to travel on public transportation, while our leaders need a convoy of 300 vehicles to move around in the same country they were elected to lead. Indeed, Black ignorance is a huge money-making tool in all sectors, from education to sports, and I could continue examining every sector, bringing forth empirical evidence of how damaging and alarming the situation is. However, the most important thing is not the problem, but the solution. If Black ignorance costs us billions of dollars in each sector, how much do you think Black enlightenment would be worth? What would it bring us from each of these sectors? Clearly, it would yield multiple times what it costs us today. If this is the case, what can we do to help ourselves? For watching, please subscribe.